Speed is one of the best ways that you can have fun outdoors, whether you're driving in your car or riding in a shopping cart. The one problem with speed is that you always seem to want to go faster, and for me, I've always wanted to go faster on my mini bike. So in this video, I'm gonna see how fast I can go on my electric mini bike by changing the gearing. Hello everyone, my name is Axel, and this is the 60-mile-an-hour mini bike build. Okay, and to start this video, I want to make sure that I know exactly how fast this bike can go with its stock 11 to 80 gear ratio. So let's go test that. Alrighty, so the way I'm going to test this is, of course, I'm going to ride down to the end of this pretty abandoned road, and I'm going to pin it in the highest power mode. And I have this GPS speedometer right here, which will tell me my speed, and I'll try to capture it on camera, but I'll be yelling it out as I go. See how fast this thing will go. Here we go. Top speed. Let's go. One thing about the temperature, it's like low 50s. Pretty good, but still nowhere close to 60. The next thing we can do is just by changing out the front sprocket. From instead of an 11-tooth sprocket, we can bump it up to a 13-tooth. Alright, so I'm about to take off the 11-tooth motor and swap it out, and I'm realizing this motor it's not even warm after those 2 runs. It's just chilling. So I'm gonna bust this little thing off. There's the 11-tooth, and here is the 13-tooth. Now, if I put them side by side, you can already see a difference. So I'm gonna put this on with the sprocket switched out and the battery fully charged. I made my way back to the street to test it out. We're in the 3rd power mode. The thing is, you can already tell it's got like no kick from just switching out the front sprocket. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh, these mountain bike brakes do not like that. Stand still. 3, 2, 1, go. This thing is crazy, bro. I'm not ready for this rear sprocket. Okay, so we got our top speed of about 38 miles an hour, which is still a step forward, but it's not as significant as I hoped. This might be due to the fact that the bike is actually pulling out more power to try and counteract for the loss of torque. And of course, this is a little concerning due to the fact that our goal is 60 miles an hour. So in order to achieve 60, my goal is to go downhill and only do 1 or 2 runs to be able to prevent battery sag, which would cause a loss of power and therefore a loss of speed. Okay, so I've got the baby sprocket on, the 55 tooth, and there is one issue, and the fact that I was thinking the chain tensioner was gonna be able to hold it on there. It can't. So I'm gonna have to shorten this chain. Luckily, this chain has already snapped in the past, so I was able to put a master link on it. So I don't know if it'll focus, but this is the master link right here. And when I cut the chain to be able to have the right length, I lost the little bushing in there. If you could tell the difference in diameter between, say, this one that I'm pointing at and the master link one, those ones are not the same diameter, so I'm a bit concerned about that. Besides that, she's ready to run. She's got good tension. Here, I'll actually turn it on right now. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. Here we go. I'm literally doing 30 miles an hour. I want to be at quarter throttle. Here we go. close to 70. However, that was still freaking fast. Do it again. Okay, so I'm back in the garage. The Mini is, of course, still in one piece. The chain did not snap. Surprisingly, if you look right here, the top speed, we hit 50.3 miles an hour. 50.3. So 50.3 miles an hour is actually a lot closer to 60 when in comparison to 35. However, I'm still really frustrated with the fact that I wasn't actually able to achieve this goal, even with this absurd gear ratio. But either way, I still reached highway speeds. I had way too much fun, and honestly, I kind of scared myself at 50 miles an hour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. See ya!